In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Define Projection tool. Set the input dataset to Hill City 24K. Set the output coordinate system to NAD 1983. Search for NAD, then expand Geographic Coordinate System and North America. Select the plane NAD 1983 choice. Click the star to add it to your Favorites folder. Run the tool. Datums typically differ by a few hundred meters or less, so zoom way in to the corner of the study area and confirm that the Hill City 24K edge aligns closely with the study boundary area edge. Zoom back to the study boundary layer. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Project tool. Project the Hill City 24K feature class to the NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N coordinate system. Save it in the Home Geodatabase using the same name. Remove the original Hill City 24K feature class. Turn on the Mount Rushmore 24K layer. It does not appear on the map. Check where it plots. And then return to the study area. Open the layer properties for the Mount Rushmore 24K layer and examine the spatial reference and the extent. Use the Define Projection tool. To change the label of Mount Rushmore 24K to the GCS North American 1983 coordinate system. It then appears in the right place. Use the Project tool to project Mount Rushmore 24K to the NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N coordinate system and save it in the Home Geodatabase with the same name. Remove the original layer from the map. Remove Mount Rushmore structure, Hill City structure, Mount Rushmore geology, and Hill City geology from the map. Make sure that the Contents pane is set to List by Data Source panel. Confirm that all of the layers except the base map are sourced from the GIS class Projects BH Water Study Home Geodatabase. Open the map properties for the Study Quads map and examine the coordinate system settings. Find and expand the layers entry. Confirm that only two coordinate systems are listed, NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N and WGS 1984 Web Mercator Auxiliary Sphere. The Catalog View tab should still be visible in the display area. If the tab is not there, choose View, Windows, Catalog View. Navigate to the Home Geodatabase in GIS Class, Class Projects, BH Water Study. Click on each of the new projected datasets to examine it. Note that the metadata was copied to the new files. Save the project. Open a new map. And rename it New CS. Open the map properties and view the coordinate systems entry. Find the NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13 and coordinate system. Right-click it and choose Copy and Modify. Rename the coordinate system NAD 1983 Black Hills Transverse Mercator. Change the central meridian from -105 to -103.7 and click Save. Right-click the new coordinate system and choose Save as Projection File. Type NAD 1983 Black Hills Traverse Mercator for the file name. Note the folder it will be saved to, and then click Save. Click OK to accept the new coordinate system for the map. Create a new map. And rename it Turkey. Zoom to Turkey in the map. Find the approximate central longitude and range of latitudes of Turkey using the cursor and reading the values from the Cursor XY display box. Open the Turkey map properties and view the coordinate system settings. Click the Add Coordinate System drop-down and choose New Projected Coordinate System. Enter Turkey-Lambert Conformal Conic WGS 84 as the name. For the projection, choose Lambert Conformal Conic from the drop-down list. Carefully change the central meridian to 35 degrees. Set the standard parallel 1 to 37 degrees. Set standard parallel 2 to 41 degrees. Leave the geographic coordinate system as WGS 1984 a good choice. Click Save. Right-click the new coordinate system and choose Save as Projection File. Retype the name and save it in the Favorites folder. Click OK in the Map Properties and view the map. Right-click the new coordinate system and choose Save as Projection File. Retype the name and save it in the Favorites folder. Click OK in the Map Properties and view the map.